Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you use Metfone data roaming easily. First, make sure your Metfone SIM card is already active and working well before you even leave your home country. It is also important to have enough credit balance or an active international plan to cover your anticipated usage abroad. Finally, double-check that your mobile device is compatible with international roaming services, which most modern smartphones are. These steps ensure a smooth start to your travel. Now, let's activate your roaming service. You can easily do this by dialing a simple short code directly from your phone, usually *133*1#, then follow the on-screen instructions. This is often the quickest method. Alternatively, you can use the convenient My Metfone application on your smartphone, navigating to the roaming section. If you prefer, visiting any Metfone service center before you travel is also an option for activation support. Once roaming is active, consider purchasing a data package for better value and control over your spending. Metfone offers various international data roaming packages, which you can usually find in the My Metfone app or by dialing *133*0#. Carefully review each package's details, including the amount of data, like 5 gigabytes, and its validity period, such as 7 days. This helps you choose the perfect plan for your travel duration and usage habits. If you encounter issues while roaming, first confirm that data roaming is enabled within your phone's cellular settings. Sometimes, your phone might struggle to connect automatically, so try manually selecting a local network operator from your phone's settings. You should also verify that your access point name, or APN, settings are correct for Metfone. This is usually just Metfone or Internet. A quick phone restart can often resolve minor connectivity glitches too.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.